you are to import from India, consider to watch this video, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to find direct manufacturer from India using India Mart, and how you can use Alibaba step by step to find a direct manufacturer or direct supplier from India and import from India to whatever country of your choice. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how to use India Mart to find direct manufacturer from India, and how you can use Alibaba to find direct manufacturer from India and import from India without any stress. So, welcome back, friends. So let's see how to find India manufacturer direct step by step tutorial. So the very first one I would like to show you is that we're going to access the India shopping website, and we show you step by step on how to find a direct manufacturer. So I'm going to head over to my browser right here. So I'm going to make use of my Google Chrome. So you can use any browser to get this done. So having opened up my Google Chrome, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I make use of my address bar, and I'm going to type in India Mart. So you can see India Mart. So I'm going to click on that. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here, the indiamart.com. All right, so it's going to open up this page. Okay, now for you to find a direct manufacturer is very much simple and easy step to follow. So the first thing you want to do is to make use of address bar right here, and then type in the keyword of any item. So let's say, for instance, I need shoes. So I'll come to the top and type shoes. Then I will click on search. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here, refine. Now we have these options right here. So we have wholesaler, we have manufacturer and retailer. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to source for direct manufacturer from India. So next thing you want to do is to make sure we select manufacturer right here. Then you have all manufacturer of this type of shoe result right here. So next thing you want to do, you can scroll down and begin to see all the manufacturer under this category types of shoe. Another thing you need to take into consideration when you are sourced for manufacturer from India is that you need to make sure that any manufacturer that have this icon here, it means that the factory has been fully verified. So you can scroll down and see more of them right here. So this is another verified manufacturer. So if you want to talk to any of the manufacturer right here, so this one right here, let's for this time we want to talk to this manufacturer. So I'm going to click on the items link right here. Having clicked on the item link, it takes you to the sales page. So this item here was sold at 250 rupee. You know, in India they spend rupee, so that is the amount. Then the minimum you can buy from this shoe from the manufacturer here is 48 pair, which simply means that anything lesser than 48 pair, you cannot deal with this manufacturer. So every manufacturer, they have the MOQ, that is the minimum order quantity that you can purchase at a go. And you are going to see all the items information, just like what you see right here: the colors, the sizes, the gender, the canvas material used for the item, and the production capacity for the factory is also need to be considered. Their production capacity is 10,000. So this simply means that if you are the type that want to buy in large quantity, maybe you need something like 5,000 pieces or 10,000 pieces, so you can work with this manufacturer. And the more the quantity, the lesser the price of the item. So if you want to contact this factory right here, what you need to do is to click on call now. So when you click on call now, you are going to see their factory direct phone number. So you can contact them on phone, or you make use of the website here to chat them up by just clicking on get the best price. So when you click on the get the best price, you will be asked to log into your account and start to chat with the factory direct. So if you want to see more information about this factory right here, Fiji Enterprises,
just click on the factory link. You are going to see everything about them right here. So you can see Vijay Enterprises, and their location is Agra, Uttar Pradesh. So and their India registration number, and the last time they come online was today. You can see they were very much active on this particular sales website. Then Trust Seal Verify, so they were legit and you can trust them with your money or your business. And they have the rating of 4 points, which is very much okay. That is 4/5 star rating review. So you can scroll down and see more product from this store and the like. So if you want to check by category, you can click on here to check by category. And if you want to share the store link, just click on here and you are going to see the store link. Then you can share it to your payment agent or to your shipping company to help you to do further verification in India. So this is one of the first way by which you can source for manufacturer direct from Indian. You want to know more about the company, just click on About Us right here and you are going to see more information about them. So right here. So I was asked to log into my account. So let me just log in for a better experience. So I'm going to submit. Then I'll click on submit here to log in to my account. All right, so I have successful login. So we can read more about the factory right here. Established year was 2020, and this is their address. They were a manufacturer and a wholesaler of a wide range product, and their country is India. So you can scroll down and see more and more and more. So their total number of employee is between 11 to 25 people are working in that manufacturing company, and their Indian registration number. This is also most important. So these are the things that give you the kind of confidence that this supplier here, they were a legit supplier. So this is one of the first way to source for direct manufacturer from India, step-by-step tutorial. So let's see another way by which you can use to source for Indian manufacturer. So I'm going to make use of Alibaba for that. So I will head over to my Alibaba right here. So click on here to head over to my Alibaba. So for me to search for Indian manufacturer, what I need to do is to still make use of search engine right here. So I'll just type in a keyword. So I'm going to type in jewelry. Then having typed in jewelry, you can see variety result of jewelries. These are from different countries. But if you want to source for only Indian, what you need to do is to make sure you click on here. Then you have something like this. Then you have to make sure you click on here, which has to do with ship from. Click on here, ship from. Then you have to locate India right here, India. The next thing you need to do is to click on show results. So you can see it right here. These are all Indian manufacturer of jewelry. So you can use any type of items to charge and filter out only Indian manufacturer. So you can see this is a verified India manufacturer. So you can see it here. So for you to check on more information about the item, so you have to click on the items link right here. 18 karat top quality gold. So the MOQ of this is just 2 pieces. So which simply means that you cannot buy one. You can swipe and see more product picture. So you can scroll down and see more information about this seller right here. So this seller here, they have verified manufacturer. So you can see it right here. And this manufacturing company has been on Alibaba for the past 1 year right here. So you can scroll down. Their number of staff here is 1 to 50 staff. So you can click on company profile. This allows you to see more information about the company. So you can see their information right here. You can scroll down and see more information about them. Then years of exporting about 8 years ago, and years in industry, and then year in industry is about 30 years of experience, and the total annual output is this. Then you can scroll down and then you can click on show more to see more information about this particular factory right here. Then the verify capability, so you can click on here to check more about their verify capability, and their response time is less than 4 hours. Then their main category item produced is diamond jewelry, gold jewelry, and loose diamond and solarite. So these are the things this factory can do. So you can see their variety product line. Then you can swipe and see more and more. So these are men jewelries. So we can click on here and check out men jewelry. So let's see. So these are the men jewelry category. So you can check on more about them. And if you want to contact this particular factory or this particular manufacturer, what you need to do is to click on chat now. So when I click on chat now, it opens in the chat box whereby we start to communicate with the seller. You can also ask for a customized jewelry. So this method here can be used to source for any India manufacturer, whether on IndiaMart or on Alibaba. Step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more important business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.